Today we're tackling one of the most critical foundational skills in all of algebra, understanding and combining like terms. If you are taking pre-algebra, algebra 1, or any high school math course, mastering this concept is a non-negotiable. If you don't understand like terms, simplifying expressions and solving equations will feel impossible. Fortunately, it's straightforward once you know the golden rule. Let's break down what terms are, how to spot matches, and how to combine them. First, let's define what an algebraic term actually is. In its most basic form, an algebraic term is simply a number placed in front of a variable, like 7x. The number part in front, here the number 7, is called the coefficient, and the letter part here, x, is called the variable. Together, the coefficient and the variable form a single algebraic term. So, what makes two terms like terms? Here's the golden rule. We don't care about the coefficient at all when determining likeness. The number in front has nothing to do with it. We care strictly about the variable part. To be like terms, the variable letter and their exponents must match 100% identically. Let's look at a simple comparison. Are 4x and 3x like terms? Yes, because both have x raised to the first power. The coefficients 4 and 3 don't matter. The variable parts match. But what about 4x and 5x squared? Even though they both use the letter x, one has an exponent of 1 and the other has an exponent of 2. Because the powers are different, they are not like terms. Teachers love to put problems like this on exams to test your attention to detail. Look at these three terms: 6x squared y, 6xy squared, and x squared y squared. Are any of these like terms? The answer is a resounding no. In the first term, x is squared. In the second term, y is squared. In the third term, both are squared. They look similar, but in math, if they don't match identically, they cannot be combined. So now let's look at an example that actually works: 6xy squared and negative 10xy squared. Let's run our check. Both terms have an x to the first power and a y squared. Because the variable parts match completely, these are genuine like terms. And because they are like terms, we are allowed to combine them. So how do we combine like terms? We simply add their coefficients together while keeping the variable part exactly the same. Think of xy squared as an item. If you have 6 of them and you add negative 10 of them, how many do you have in total? Add the numbers in front. 6 plus negative 10 equals negative 4. Attach the unchanged variable part, and you get your final simplified result: negative 4xy squared. So to recap, an algebraic term consists of a coefficient and a variable. Two terms are only like terms if their variable letters and powers match identically. To combine them, perform the arithmetic on the coefficients and keep the variable part exactly as it is. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.